What's up guys, Austin from Billetworkz here. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our license plate deletes in a 2008 to 14 WRX or STI. So I'm going to start by using the included black adapters. We'll insert them into the square holes in the bumper. Then of course next we'll take our license plate delete. Also take the supplied screws. I like to insert them into the plate delete a while. Then we can take a Phillips head screwdriver and start to thread in the screws into the square nuts. We'll go ahead and snug them up. They don't need to be super tight, just tight enough for the black nut to expand. Then it's held in place. Now that I've showed you how to install one of our license plate deletes in a 2008 to 14 WRX or STI, head over to our website to purchase a license plate delete for your vehicle. You can customize with your own design or choose one of our stock designs like here, which is our piston design with a white filled engraving. We'll see you next time.